In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Davinci Resolve 17 for free. It is 100% free. Davinci Resolve 17 for free. Okay, so first, open up a browser and type in Davinci Resolve 17. From here, click on Davinci Resolve 17 from blackmagicdesign.com. Then scroll down and click on download. Then under Davinci Resolve 17 beta, click on whichever operating system applies to you. I'm on a Windows, so I'll click on Windows. Then from here, you just have to enter in your details, and if you don't want to enter in your information, you can put in something random like this. And then for your email, put in something random. And at the end, you have to put in @gmail.com. For phone number, just put in random numbers. If you don't want to put in your country, you can just pick something random. Then if you don't want to put in your state, put in something random. If you don't want to put in your city, put something random. And then right here, click on register and download. This will automatically start downloading for you right here. If it doesn't, you can just click on this little download right here and it will start. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.